traditional rustic Italian. We're coming to the end of the block, so what better way than to get everyone together for a dinner party? I went online and found this awesome online service called Entertain, where a chef comes in, cooks the food at your house, and then they clean up and leave. So I thought I'd go around and let everyone know about it. Everybody's been working very hard. Tonight I'm having a dinner party at House 5. For you and me? For all of us. Oh, damn. Let them know what time. I'm having a dinner party at 6:45 and everyone's welcome. Be ready.
Yeah.
Dress to the nines, wear your best Bisley gear. So I'm literally just bringing people over to my house. We haven't used the dining table yet, so what better way? Get everyone together in the winning dining room.
Yes, it was, Mel.
That's right.
You're a legend.
Done. That's what I do.
Oh, I love you. Tell Jess I love him too.
Yeah, he had nothing to do with it, all right? It's all me. Hello. Oh, come on in.
Oh, my gosh. I really should have dressed up.
I know. Beautiful.
This looks lovely.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I did dress up.
Yeah, I was like, I have my trackies on.
No,
Which Mark Tess? Oh, I'm in the middle.
Wow. Hi, guys. Hello. Here they are.
The
boys. Come on, boys.
Find your name, take a seat.
A bit fancy.
Is it?
I'm the rose between the thorns.
Me too, actually.
All right, can we open these?
I know, it's going to be weird.
Not yet, mate.
Look, we're coming to an end and I'm going to miss you all, and I thought, why not have a dinner party? We haven't had one at House 5.
Oh.
So thanks to Entertain, they've come and looked after us all. So
How nice is that?
have a few drinks, eat lots of food,
Thanks, Mel.
and
Thanks,
you can
Melanie.
stumble home.
Cheers, everybody.
The dinner party was awesome. It was really nice to just be able to sit down, you know, have a drink together and literally get food brought out.
Oh, thank you so much.
Italian handmade pasta, amazing.
Yeah, this looks fantastic.
Oh my God, it's amazing. The pasta was lovely. I thought it was an entree, but it was actually was the meal. I'm a big eater.
Didn't have to do anything. Everyone could just talk and laugh and reminisce.
So many ideas.
One of my best memories was when we first rocked up and we had to sleep in bunk beds together.
Yeah.
That just was...
I love that too.
I loved every minute of it.
Didn't picture this part.
What you gotta do, guys, if you want to get funky, you put your towel down like this and you can have private time. See you in the morning, blockheads.
You have your ups and downs. We're a family. You know, you fight, you bicker, you get on with life and you move on.
My favourite memory is the first official day where we were digging through that mud like a bunch of idiots. Seeing you guys at the end of it, absolutely just drenched in mud. It's the closest you guys are ever going to come to being a black person.
The only thing that's going to stick with us once we leave here is the amazing things that happen to us while we're here.
My favourite memory was like the first week when we did the bedroom and knocked down the walls on the Saturday night. We were all dancing together.
Bizarrely for me, camping out around the campfire that night.
That was great.
It was beautiful. We just relaxed and we enjoyed each other, and it was just fun.
See you, kids. We're off to bed. Enjoy.
Sweet dreams, everybody.
As much as I didn't want to do it and I hated it so much, my favourite memory would have been the lip sync battle because it was the funniest night. And probably your performance. Made me look at you a little bit differently.
I looked at myself differently.
Out of the last week, I want to remind myself that this is a dream come true, because it has been so much harder than I could have ever imagined.
It's been tough, and you've said it so well. I come out of it realising probably how much I can do that I didn't realise I could do. But I want to have some happiness for my last week.
Yeah.
And I have to find that. I have to find that.
We'll make it happen. Yep.
It's probably the first time for many weeks that we've all been together like that, because everything's become so separate. Now we all have our separate houses and walls are up. And
It'd be fitting to say that we are a block family.
There is no way in this world that we couldn't have done it without each other.
What I would like to get out of this last week on the block is to finish strongly with, I'm going to get emotional, 9 fantastic people who understand what we've all been through. And
You make me cry.
I think everybody's got strength and big hearts, and we've had some really tough things thrown at us, and we've all finished every week. And I love you guys. I know we've had our ups and downs, a few of them. And my favourite memory is looking down the veranda and watching everyone working really hard. I'll never forget working alongside of you all. And it's been an incredible experience. Makes me emotional to think about how tough it's been, but we've been tougher.
That's true.
Good point.
Thinking about crying. Well done, Debbie.
Thanks, Mum.
Well said, Mum.